Hello students, welcome back to online class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 3rd, that is more on algorithms and flowcharts. So firstly we are going to discuss about an algorithm. So what is an algorithm? It is a step by step procedure to solve any particular problem. So, algorithm is a set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input. An algorithm is a representation of a solution to a problem. We solve many problems every day without even thinking about it. For example, making breakfast, traveling to the workplace, etc. Computer is a part of the means of solving the problem. A procedure explicitly states the steps required to the solution must be transmitted to the computer. The concept of a problem, solution and communication make the study of algorithm important to computer science. The algorithm can be described on many levels because the algorithm is just the procedure of step to take and get the results. Means follow the steps and get the results. The language used to describe an algorithm to other people will be quite different from that is used by the computer. An example of an algorithm people use would be method to make tea. Suppose if you want to make tea, so what are the steps you will follow? They can use the following steps. So you have to be followed the following steps. Step 1, start. Step 2, put some water in a kettle. Step 3, put kettle on stove. Step 4, turn the gas stove on. Step 5, let the water boil, then put some tea. Step 6, add milk and sugar. Finally, your tea is ready to sip. And step 7, stop. So, these are the following steps for making tea. So, it is an algorithm for making tea. This breaks down making of tea into smaller steps. To make the product, one still need to know how to execute each of the steps in the procedure and understand all the terms. So, if you follow these steps, then you can easily make tea. Now, next, what are the advantages of an algorithm? So, these are the following advantage of algorithm. Algorithms are machine independent, means it is not machine dependent, it is machine independent. Algorithms are easy to understand. So, algorithm you can easily understand. Algorithms are easy to implement. Algorithm can easily be converted into flowchart. Algorithm helps in detecting and eliminating errors from the programs. Algorithms are not dependent on any particular computer language. So after making algorithm, we will convert it into a flowchart. Rules for writing algorithm. There are some rules or guidelines for writing an algorithm. These rules makes algorithm to understand by different people easily. Follow the rules as mentioned below while writing an algorithm. So some rules. So if you prepare your algorithm by following these rules, then your algorithm must be clean and clear and easy to understand by the user. Assign statement number to each line such as step 1, step 2, step 3, etc. Always begin an algorithm with start. Write each instruction in a separate line. Write stop at the end of an algorithm. Got it? These are the rules for writing an algorithm. Let us take some example to understand the algorithm. Example 1. Algorithm to dial a telephone number. Suppose if you want to dial a number. So, step first, start. Step 2, open the phone diary. Step 3, check the number you want to dial. Step 4, now take the phone receiver in your hand. Step 5, dial the phone number by pressing the numbers. Step 6, start the conversation. Step 7, when the conversation is finished, then put the receiver down. Step 8, put the receiver back. And step 9, stop. Second example, an algorithm to get ready for the school. So, what are the algorithm? Step 1, start. Step 2, wake up. Step 3, brush your teeth. Step 4, do some exercise. Step 5, take bath. Step 6, wear your school uniform. Step 7, take your breakfast. Step 8, take your school bag. Step 9, take your ID card. Step 10, catch your school van. And step 11, stop. Example 3rd, an algorithm to find sum of two numbers. So, if you want to add two numbers, so for that algorithm, step 1, start. Step 2, take first number. Suppose you are taking first number as 2. Step 3rd, take second number. Suppose you are taking second number 3. Step 4th, add the two numbers. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Step 5, write the sum, that is 5. Step 6, stop. So, today we have discussed about an algorithm. We will discuss about next topic in the next class. Thank you.